Welcome back to Views. I've missed you. It's been like a minute. Anyway, today I just wanted to give you a teaser, if you will. This is a Cobalt brought to us a couple weeks back, and the owners were like, hey, we don't care what it takes, just try to do what you can. So we've asked them to give us some patience and allow us some time to work on this at our leisure. This side here took heavy cut on a wool pad, then heavy cut on a foam pad, and then a little perfected EXAC on that same foam pad. I've only gotten up to about the this little section here, which I'll call the ankle of the windshield. It's going to take a little extra steps, so I'll hold off. I'll set up some lights and get my ladder up. In the meantime, I just wanted to show you what's possible with a little bit of compound and a little bit of time and a little bit of patience. And that's all this is. It's a little bit of patience. And I said something in a comment recently. This is more of a dance than it is a fight. If you're fighting your buffer, if you're fighting the boat, you're going to lose. There's no question in my mind. You can't get this level of shine unless you relax and let the products and the machines do what they need to do. That being said, I've still got a lot left of this top side, and I still have about a quarter of the hull, basically from underneath this open bow forward. I have not touched on the hull. I'll get to that in a little bit. This boat's going to take a while, guys. It's probably going to take me another 2 to 3 days just to get through the top side and the hull. And then I still have that back area, which I'm dreading immensely. But I have found a solution, and I've been recording it so that you guys can see it. I'll show that to you once this whole boat is done. So if you're interested at all in finding out what it takes to get this result out of an old, tired Cobalt boat, subscribe, because in the next couple days I will have shown you what it took. And from that point, you can just watch the next video and see that boat and what it took, and so on and so on and so on. That's all I got, guys. If you're wondering why I use the foam pad, it's just so I can get around those snaps easier. Thanks so much. I appreciate your time. Cheers.